Meaning of identical.
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 Identical. The word identical refers to something that is exactly the same as something else. When two things are identical, they possess the exact same qualities, characteristics, and features. This term is often used to describe objects or individuals that are indistinguishable from one another upon close examination. Identical twins, for example, share the same genetic material and physical appearance. The concept of identical also applies to mathematical equations where two expressions are equivalent if they have the same value for all possible values of the variables. Overall, identical implies a 100% match in similarity between two or more things.